Hello guys, so we are actually going to look at Cameroon General Certificate of Education GCE Advanced Level 2017 multiple choice. I'm going to give you all the questions and answers. So without wasting of time, let's go into it. Maybe you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe because I come with videos like this all the time for students and also how students they can make money online. On this channel also, I have we have done revisions for 2024 physics 3, 2, 1, 20, 2019. So you can check all of that on this channel. So let's go right into it without wasting of time. Question 1. Which of the following phenomena provides evidence that light has a wave nature? Correct answer is B. Emission of light from energy. Level transitions in atoms. The SI unit for the work done on an object is, correct answer is A. In the photoelectric effect, electromagnetic waves incident upon the surface of a mirror can cause electrons to be emitted by it. Which of the following will result in more electrons being emitted per period? Correct answer for 3 is D, which is using more intense radiation of the same wavelength. Two identical hard spherical balls X and Y, each of mass m, are traveling in opposite directions with the same speed if they collide elastically on a friction-free surface. Which of the statements below best describes their motion? Correct answer for 4 is B. The total energy of the system is conserved. Which of the following statements about a moving body is not correct? Correct answer for 5 is A. If even without a body accelerating, it is possible for its speed to change, so that is not correct. Question 6. Of the processes below, the one in which practically all the heat transfer is done by conduction is, correct answer for 6 is B. From a soldering iron to metals being soldered. Two forces, F1 and F2, are acting on a block on a frictionless horizontal surface as shown in figure 1. If the block has an acceleration of magnitude 2.0, what is its mass? Correct answer for 7 is C. A girl throws a handball vertically upwards with an initial velocity of 9.50. When the ball finally returns to her hands, it will have covered the distance of, correct answer for 8 is A, 9.21. Which of the following can effectively lower the internal energy of a room? Correct answer for 9 is C, an air conditioner partially exposed to the atmosphere. Which of the following comparisons of nuclear fusion and nuclear fission reactions is not correct? Correct answer for 10 is B. Radioactive waste disposal is not as much a big problem with nuclear fission as with nuclear fusion. Question 11. A longitudinal wave moves to the right through a uniform homogeneous medium as shown in figure 2. Points 1, 2, 3, and 4 represent the positions of the particles of the medium. The wavelength of this wave is equal to the distance between points. Question 11 is C, 1 and 2. What is the electric field strength midway between two particles each carrying a charge of +2, separated by a distance of 0.10 in air? Correct answer for 12 is A, 0.0. An electron makes a transition from a higher energy level E2 to a lower energy level E1 within an atom if H and C represent Planck's constant and free space speed of light. The frequency of the quantum of electromagnetic radiation produced is, correct answer for 13 is B. An Earth satellite revolves at a height from the surface of the Earth. If R is the radius of the Earth and the field strength on the surface is G, the velocity of the satellite is given by, correct answer for 14 is A. P and Q are two current carrying wires. Figure 3 shows the pattern of the magnetic flux density around the wires. What direction of flow of current in P and Q will give rise to this pattern? Correct answer for 15 is B. Four projectiles A, B, C, and D were launched from a level ground and returned to level ground. The table below shows the initial horizontal speed, the initial vertical speed, and the time of flight for each projectile. Correct. Which projectile traveled the greatest horizontal distance? Neglect air resistance. Correct answer for 16 is C. 17. On the surface of a planet of radius r, an object experiences a force due to gravity. What force does it experience when it is moved to a point at the height one-third from the surface of the planet? Correct answer was 17 is B. What physical quantity does one need to plot on the vertical axis to obtain a graph of the type shown in figure 4 relating to a charging capacitor? Correct answer for 18 is D. A helium atom consists of two protons, two electrons, and two neutrons. In the helium atom, the strong force in the fundamental interaction between the correct answer for 19 is C, neutrons and protons. Yellow light of frequency 5.09 times 14 times 10 to the power 14 passes from water through fluid glass into a medium as shown in figure 5. If the absolute indices of refraction of water and fluid glass are 1.33 and 1.63 respectively, the absolute index of refraction of M should be, correct answer for 20 is A, 1.66. The vector diagram below represents the horizontal component Fg and the vertical component Fv of a 24.0 force acting at an angle to the horizontal as shown in figure 6. What are the magnitudes of these components? Correct answer for 21 is D. A fixed mass of gas goes through a cycle of changes labeled powers. What is the net work done on the gas in the cycle? Correct answer for 22 is B, 600. 23. Sometimes sound waves strike a dringless glass and cause it to shatter. This phenomenon illustrates, correct answer for 23 is A, resonance. The displacement time graphs in figure 8 illustrate the motions of two waves going from left to right. Correct answer for 24 is C. It is leading one by 90 degrees. Two of the common problems encountered when using a pentensioner are that either the balance length is too short or there is no balance point at all. Which of the following will lead to one or more of these problems? Correct answer for 25 is D. The responses in A and C will lead to one or both of these problems. Since an electron carries a charge of magnitude 1.16 times 10 to the power minus 19 C, how many electrons do pass through per second when it carries a current of 1.00? Correct answer for 26 is B. Which of the following statement is correct about semiconductors? Correct answer for 28 is D. 28. Correct answer for 27 is D. Pardon. Which of the following assertions is not correct? Correct answer for 28 is B. The resistance of a pure metal varies linearly with its cross-sectional area, whereas that of a tensor varies in an irregular manner with its area of cross-section. So that is not correct. Which of these is not characteristics of progressive longitudinal waves? Correct answer for 29 is C. They can be plane polarized. A, a particle of mass 4.8 times 10 to the power minus 13 kilogram carrying a charge of 8.00 times 10 to the power minus 19 is stationary in the vertical electrical field. If G equals to 10 to the power minus 2, the strength of this electric field must be, correct answer for 30th is A. A rectangular coil is placed in a uniform magnetic field between the poles of a magnet as shown in figure 9. When current is passed around the coil in a clockwise direction, correct answer for 31 is C. When a nucleus of this is bombarded by neutrons, it captures one of them and undergoes fission. Which one of the following gives possible products of this process? Correct answer for 32 is B. neglecting air resistance. The horizontal component of the velocity of an arrow fired from a bow. Correct answer for 33 is A. 10.0 kilogram mass is placed away from a gravitational field. The strength of the gravitational field at the point midway between them is. Correct answer for 34 is B. Figure 10 shows a mass swing clockwise at constant speed in horizontal cycle. At the instant shown, the centripetal force acting on the mass is directly towards point. Correct answer for 35 is D. S. So for question 36 to 45, I'm just going to give you the correct answer. You can stay behind. You can watch the video and see the questions and everything. I'll just give you the answers for them to save time. Correct answer for 36. What they're actually asking us is that for each group of questions below, one or two of the response given are correct. Okay, so they say we should choose. For 36, the correct answer is B. For 37, the correct answer is D. For 38, the correct answer is A. For 39, the correct answer is C. For 40, the correct answer is B. For 41, the correct answer is B. For 42, the correct answer is B. For 43, the correct answer is C. For 44, the correct answer is C. Now, section 3. Each of the questions 46 to 50 has 4 sets of graphs A to D. Which of the graphs in each question best fits the relationship between X and Y? Correct answer for 46 is A. Correct answer for 47 is A. Correct answer for 48 is C. Correct answer for 49 is C. Correct answer for 50 is B. So that is it about Physics Advanced Level 2017. You can revise it and watch it. You can share with your friends. Like the video, subscribe. Thank you.